Hey guys, it's Christy. I'm an independent 31 consultant, and the name of my business right now is Heartstrings and Gifty Things because 31 gifts. So I'm going to do a little product feature on this beautiful travel duo, the Hanging Traveler case and the Glamour case. So this is an older print. It's called Tropical Twist, but I do have newer print. And these always come in matching prints. So this is Gumdrop Spots from the fall collection. Okay, so a couple different uses. Of course for travel, but actually I have been using these for not travel. So my desk at work, I'm a teacher by the way, my desk at work was like just a mess. Everything was flopping around in it. And so I use the Hanging Traveler case like this in the desk drawer. So it organizes all those things. So what's in here isn't your normal travel items, it's your like emergency desk items. So this item would actually be great as like a first aid kit, and it's kind of a little bit what I use it for. So I've got a sort of a sewing kit. I've actually sewed a hole in somebody's pants like while they were wearing them. As a teacher, you do a lot of weird things. I've got some lotion, powder, clear nail polish for the runs in your stockings, dental floss. Literally, kids ask me for weird stuff all the time. Do you have any dental floss or toothpicks? I do. And then, okay, sometimes in the middle of the day you need to make some adjustments. So like, I have a brush in here, a toothbrush and toothpaste, because like, I don't know how many times I've shown up to work and been like, oh my gosh, I forgot to brush. Like, life, you're rushing around, right? I got some hairspray because it can get ink out of clothes. Speaking of getting stains on clothes, Tide stick, nail file, because some days you're just like, this is so annoying, and if you don't have your nail file to work with. Eye drops, because I have allergies and they just get bad sometimes, and or if you're crying at school, because who doesn't? I do. Little toothpaste for that toothbrush. And here's another fun emergency for those of us who are aging. This is like what is this? It's like a hair dye stick that you rub on if you are just having a bad day and you're like, I can't stand my roots. You can just kind of rub that on there and like add a little color, and then you're like, all right, I can at least look at myself. Like for example, if they're going to take a picture for something that day, you can be like, give me a minute. Okay, so this is not what this is about though, but this is the kind of stuff that I have in here. And actually also at school, just haha about emergencies, I also have like a change of clothes bag, and that does include some undies, because things happen throughout the day sometimes. Like for example, I'm a science teacher. I fell in the creek one time, and you gotta have a change of pants and undies for that occasion, because you don't want to have like sopping wet grossness. Okay, so that's number one. And then number two is that I actually use the Glamour case as like a quick reach in, grab and go thing in my desk. So I need cough drops like all the time. In fact, like this is where I do my filming, and I actually have cough drops like in this desk drawer over here. I just all the time. I'm always talking. So in my desk at school, I have these things that you might want to grab and go. So I've got my cough drops there, some hand lotion, my stevia, so I'm trying to cut down on sugar, and some Band-Aids. And then in here I keep, usually I have more than this, but I try to keep some metal spoons and forks so that if I'm eating at my desk, I can wash them instead of using plastic, because I try my best to be ecological. Okay, but that's actually not what these items are really meant for. They're really meant for like your travel, right? But hey, you can use them for whatever you want. So your Hanging Traveler case, there's a really great feature here. So first of all, it's got the top pocket and the bottom pocket, but this one, like, I don't know if you can tell, normally this is a pocket right here. So you can zip items, like let's say this thing slides around a lot. So I'll put that in there and zip it, and now it's not gonna slide around and fall out. And I love this so much. I shared an Airbnb with 5 women, and we had one bathroom, and it was the smallest bathroom in the world, and there was no counter space. It was just a sink. So there's a buckle here, and there might not be a hook, but there might be a towel bar. So you can link this around a towel bar, and then you can grab and go your stuff. Or the shower curtain rod also. So for travel, you tuck that inside and then you zip it up. But I like the way that it just keeps everything. My drawer is really thin at work, so it just keeps everything nice and neat in the drawer. And I don't use this stuff too often, but when I do, I need to be able to find it. So I have emptied out my Glamour case, and I'm going to show you what you can do with it with your makeup. So I got my primers and my lotions there. I'm going to put this out front so you can see it, primers and lotions. And then my makeup is flat. And so actually I probably should have put that on the bottom. There we go. Got my primers and lotions on top. And then my brushes, I didn't used to do makeup with brushes, but now I do, and it's very artful. So there's these brush holders here, and then this thing right here, this flap, goes over your brushes so that the powder doesn't necessarily get right on to all of your stuff. So, you know, I can put some brushes there, and then these other items, I can put, this is like mascara, a couple eyeliners, brow pencils, whatever, that can go in there. Zip, zip, there you go. So that's what the Glamour case is really sort of meant for. So that can also just be for home too. This is a great travel item, but let's say you've got a couple different teenagers in your house who have to share the bathroom, or you know, somebody's showering in this bathroom, but I can take my makeup downstairs to that bathroom. So it's actually kind of nice to just use daily also. And then, you know, if bathroom space is at a premium, if you have more than one teenager in your house, then, you know, this doll does, everybody can't keep all of their stuff out. So it can all get zipped back up, put in a drawer, put in the linen closet, wherever, or taken back to your bedroom and brought to the bathroom later. Okay, so I hope that that inspired you, that you got a few cool ideas, and if you've got any ideas, you can add them yourself and connect with me. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.